The ear is a microsystem of the entire body. There are over 200 points on the ear that are believed to correspond to different points, both physical and emotional, on the body. The stimulation of these points is called auriculotherapy. Acupuncturists will often use needles to stimulate these points. Ear seeds are another tool that can be used at home for the same effect. These all-natural seeds from the Vaccaria plant are safe, natural, and non-invasive, sitting on the surface of the ear and held in place with adhesive tape. According to the World Health Organization, the ear is perhaps the most studied microsystem of the entire body. EarSeeds.com products are designed to share auriculotherapy with our attractive, easy-to-understand educational products. Our condition-specific EarSeed kits teach you where to find points commonly stimulated for a variety of popular conditions, and our Swarovski crystal-embellished ear pellets create a beautiful and exciting fashion, health, and lifestyle statement. Peel, place, press, and experience auriculotherapy today.